In this moment, doesn't matter big one, medium one, or small one. Most important is in the middle part of your movements. So when you weigh on the back leg, then don't use this supporting. This is a yang energy. Use your yin energy to yield. As soon as you yield your yin energy, your yang go over. Then the moment you can go together, use your strength, use your roots, use the middle part body, and then go to the direction you want to be. Hopefully this little bit idea training you can combine not only learning the movements from the outside. Most important is the internally.